Hello, this is a walkthrough of the new auto play or auto follow feature for songs. So you've got this stack of scenes, and as normal you can manually trigger between them. So what's been added is the ability to automatically trigger the next or previous item so that it automatically plays through. So for example, I could grab info here and go play next. So auto follow, play next. And what will happen is on the second loop round, it will then play the next scene. So if I set that for the next scene as well, then now this one will start playing, and as it gets to the end of the second loop round, it will then automatically play the next scene. Because I set it on this scene as well, it will automatically play the next one. So using that setting, you can start at the top and then get it to cycle through all the scenes with whatever length you want to build a tune. If it's on the last item and you do play next, then it'll cycle back to the top so that you can kind of do an infinite playthrough of the song, or loop the song effectively. Let's just go back a bit like that. And the same if you were to set this one to play last, it'll cycle around in the opposite direction. So let's trigger that again. So you can see that it cycled backwards back down, and this one will play and it'll cycle back up again. So at the moment I've set up a kind of ping pong, which is not what we really want, but if I set them all to next, it would cycle downwards. And the last thing you can do, because you might want it to play through the whole lot and then stop after playing the last one, in which case you set this to stop. And then imagine I started this one, which having played through the whole lot, auto triggered next, and now this one will auto stop instead. And that means you can set it up so you'd start playing at the top, auto play all of the next ones at whatever length you want for each scene, and then when it plays the last scene it'll stop, so it's just like playing a song and then stopping.